G'day and welcome back. Today I'm going to be taking you on a virtual tour of an apartment in one of Medellin's nicest neighborhoods. All right, walking in the front door here, guys. This is a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom apartment in Patio Bonito that we're going to be looking at today. The price on this is amazing. Before I show you the apartment, I just want to give you a bit of an understanding of exactly where it is. We're going to be looking at the suburb of El Poblado today. If you don't know where it is, you can just type El Poblado into Google Maps and it's going to show you this area. See the red dotted line? That whole area encapsulates El Poblado. And the great thing, or the crazy thing, or the interesting thing about suburbs in Medellin are that they're so diverse. Poblado is made up of many little sub-neighborhoods or micro neighborhoods. So you can see here El Tesoro, and there's like Castropol, but all of these areas all come with their own set of pros and cons, and you might like some of them, you might dislike some of them. So that's why it's very important to really understand the exact spot where you're buying property. I'm going to explain to you exactly where this one is that we're looking at today. It's in an area, if we zoom in here, Provenza is the main nightlife and restaurant area of the whole city, and many of the famous hotels and things like that are all in this area. So for tourists, it's a very attractive place to stay because it's walking distance from basically anywhere that they may want to be. Where our apartment today is an area called Patio Bonito. So remember this is the main area, right? If we zoom out just a little bit, you see that there, Patio Bonito. That is where the apartment that we're going to be looking at is today. If you want to get to the main area of Provenza, it's only about 5 to 15 minutes walk, depending on how fast you walk, I guess. And it's about less than 5-minute Uber ride, which would cost you about $1 to $2. So now you know exactly where it is. Let's go and have a look at the apartment. All right, walking in the front door here, guys. This is a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom apartment in Patio Bonito that we're going to be looking at today. The price on this is amazing. Stick around to the end of this video so you can see exactly why it's such a good deal. This is the first bathroom, the guest bathroom. This is what they call a half bathroom because it doesn't have a shower. This is the kitchen, completely remodeled. You wouldn't know it, but this building is 40 years old. It was constructed in 1985. But the previous owners, I believe, are an architect and interior designer. So that's why it looks so nice. The special thing about this property is that it comes fully furnished. So all the furniture you see comes with the apartment. So if you want to put it straight on Airbnb, you can do that immediately. You don't need to do any renovations or any preparation. And if you want to live in it, then it's ready to go for you. This is a duplex, as you can see, meaning that the living area is split over 2 levels. This is actually one of the bedrooms. It has its own bathroom. These guys have turned it into somewhat of a gaming studio. I think he's got a PlayStation or Xbox there. This is the bathroom, as you can see. It requires no renovation at all. Designed beautifully, plenty of space, big showers. So this is one of the bedrooms. You can use it as a bedroom or you can use it as a gaming room or an office or whatever else like the current owners have done. This is the other bedroom, and how nice does this look? Roll out of bed, jump in that swing, have your coffee, and just look at the nature outside your bedroom window. It has a walk-in closet, this one, a huge one. These guys have completely filled it. I hope you don't have more clothes than fit in there or you have a problem. And this is the main bathroom. Absolutely beautiful. Even has a bathtub, which is not something you see that often. Designed beautifully. The shower's at the back there. Also pretty spacious. And look at this balcony. The balcony also has a lot of space on it, and you're basically looking at trees all around you. If you didn't know already, I just opened up a real estate agency in Medellin with my business partner Andrew of Medellin Buzz. If you want our help finding an apartment in Medellin to buy, then just click the link in the description, fill out the form, and we'll personally be in touch with you to discuss how we can help you find your dream home here. Now let's talk about price. This place comes in at 750 million Colombian pesos, which is about 178,000 US dollars. And that is an amazing price when you look at the price per square meter. Price per square meter for new construction is about 14 to 17 million Colombian pesos. Places in this area, even renovated, you can find 8 or 9 million Colombian pesos per square meter. This apartment is 115 square meters and the price per square meter is only 6.5 5 million Colombian pesos, which, being the location it is, looking at the amazing renovation and also looking at the price that it rents for on Airbnb, which the previous owners told me is about $2,300 per month, is an absolute steal of a price. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. If you want to keep this rolling with some more real estate videos in Medellin, then just click this playlist.